I really like these glasses. I have been wearing them now for approximately 2 weeks, and I have to say, hands down, one of the best purchases I've made in a long time. I wear bifocals, and with diamond painting, I struggle to see them even with a light pad. So this was a really good purchase. I did purchase a couple of magnifying glasses or magnifiers from local stores around our home, and they were either way too powerful, where you literally had to bring everything up right here because you couldn't see it, or it just didn't have enough strength to them. So I find that this is an excellent purchase. The nice thing about these glasses too, and I'm just going to point them out, the lenses interchange, so you can easily pop them out, and you can easily exchange them with the 4 extra lenses that are right here. It just depends on what you need and what's comfortable for you. There is your LED light. You just switch it on and it will light up any part of your project. This is adjustable, so you can move it up and down. It also comes with either the strap or it has arms. The arms do come off. I prefer to wear it with the strap. So I highly recommend this item if you are looking for magnifiers. I will have the link down below, so if you're interested in taking a look, it will be down there for you.